Your home feels like a fortress. Clean floors, an airy bedroom, no visible dirt? You are wrong. Your apartment is teeming with life. Literally. Every square centimeter of your carpet, every fold of your pillow, every breath you take, you're inhaling more than just air. Right now, millions of creatures live in your home. You can't see them at all. Even if you squint, they are too small. But they are here, and they affect your health more than you think. Morning stuffiness? A cough with no fever? Constant fatigue? Maybe it's not a virus. Today, I will introduce you to 5 invisible tenants, a diagnosis for each, and instructions on how to live with them.
The first invisible patient is your pillow and mattress, the house dust mite. Its size is 0.3 millimeters. You cannot see it without a microscope. It doesn't bite, it doesn't drink blood, but it eats what you lose every night, dead flakes of your skin. In 1 year, a single person sheds up to 2 kilograms of this food, and all of it ends up in the mattress. A colony of dust mites in an average double bed can reach 10 million individuals. How do they harm you? They secrete digestive enzymes. These enzymes, along with fragments of chitin, become airborne when you toss and turn in your sleep. You breathe them in. Your immune system reacts. In the morning, your nose is stuffy, your eyes water, you cough without a fever. Diagnosis? Persistent allergic rhinitis. The solution is not pills forever. It's washing your bedding at 60 degrees every 10 days and using anti-mite covers on your mattress. The second invisible resident is your carpet and sofa, another species of dust mite. It's a relative of the bedroom mite, but it prefers fuzzy surfaces. Its size is 4.4 millimeters, just as invisible. It eats the same skin flakes, but lives deeper, where your vacuum cleaner doesn't always reach. 1 square meter of carpet can contain up to 100,000 mites. Their feces, microgranules about 20 microns in size, are perfectly designed to float in the air for hours. You breathe them constantly. Symptoms? Chronic cough, especially in children and asthmatics. Studies link up to 80% of household asthma cases to mite, not pollen or pet fur. Diagnosis? Mite sensitization. The solution is damp cleaning with a saline solution. It binds the allergens and prevents them from rising into the air. Or a steam cleaner at 100 degrees, mites die instantly. The third invisible patient is not an insect or an arachnid. It's a bacterium, Legionella. Its size is 1 micron, invisible even in the brightest light. It lives in stagnant water at temperatures between 25 and 50 degrees Celsius. Perfect environment. Your air conditioners, humidifiers, shower heads. You don't notice it, but when you turn on the AC or open a hot water tap, it flies into the air as an aerosol. You breathe it in. Legionella causes Legionnaire's disease, a severe pneumonia with a fatality rate of up to 15% even with treatment. Symptoms? High fever, dry cough, headache, confusion. It's often misdiagnosed as atypical pneumonia and treated incorrectly. Legionella is not killed by standard antibiotics. The solution is cleaning your AC units every 6 months, changing the water in humidifiers daily, and rinsing shower heads in vinegar.
The fourth invisible patient lives right on you and in your dust. Fungi, Aspergillus and Penicillium. Their spores, 2 to 5 microns in size, float in the air constantly. In any apartment, in any city. You cannot get rid of them completely. They enter your home from outside through open windows, on your shoes, on your clothes. But in certain places, bathrooms, kitchens, under windowsills and plant pots, they find moisture and begin to multiply actively. Then the number of spores in the air increases by hundreds of times. Fungal spores are powerful allergens and toxins. They cause chronic bronchitis, sinusitis, and in people with weakened immune systems, pulmonary aspergillosis, which takes years to treat. The most insidious symptom is that you don't sneeze immediately. The reaction builds up over weeks. You feel tired, brain foggy, constantly catching colds, and blame stress. But the problem is the black spots under your bathtub. Diagnosis? Mycogenic sensitization. The solution is keeping humidity below 60% and treating moldy areas with fungicides, not bleach. Bleach kills the color, not the spores.
The fifth invisible patient comes into your home on 4 legs. Demodex, a microscopic mite that lives in the hair follicles and sebaceous glands of dogs, cats, and even humans. Its size is 0.4 millimeters, invisible. It doesn't live on furniture, it lives directly on your pet. You pet your dog and millions of mites transfer to your hands. Usually your immune system handles them, but if your immunity is weakened, demodicosis begins. Red, flaky patches on your face, eyelids, neck. It's often mistaken for acne
or a pollen allergy, but the source is sitting on your couch wagging its tail. The solution is not washing your pet with harsh chemicals. That kills its own microbiome, and Demodex only multiplies more actively. Instead, take your dog to the vet regularly for skin scrapings. A warning sign: if you started itching after getting a pet and it went away on its own after a month, that's not adaptation, that's your immune system learning to suppress Demodex. But not everyone gets that lucky.
You do not live alone. Billions of invisible neighbors breathe the same air as you, sleep on the same sheets, drink from the same pipe. That does not mean you are in danger. Cleanliness is not the absence of dust. Cleanliness is managing an ecosystem. Now you know your invisible tenants. If you want a checklist for evicting each of them, write the word microscope in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. We will find 5 invisible creatures living right in your food. Do you ever clean your kitchen cabinets? Write yes or no. A like helps this channel make more raids into your apartments. That's it. You can exhale now. And wash your hands.